Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package from Lonely Planet. I signed up for their giveaway and I got a book. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It's printed on soy ink. It is a hard book that is out of this world feelings. Right? So now, Lonely Planet has been established since 1972. So let's open it up. Be careful not to cut the book. Here it is, Lonely Planet. This isn't just a book. This isn't just a book, it's an invitation to the experience of a lifetime. Lonely Planet is here to inspire you, to guide you, and to connect you with epic destinations near and far. So go ahead, unwrap the wheels up, feeling that new in town feeling, that sound of the waves feeling. Go there, go to the edges of your ordinary, because this planet has some truly odd-worldly places to explore. And we'll see you there. And we'll see you out there. Check out more of Lonely Planet's Webley's award-winning series, Best in Travel. And you can scan the QR code and follow them on their social. Want to travel the local way? Book fully personalized trips with expert local guide on elsewhere.io. Alright. So here's the book. Best in Travel 2022. The best destinations, journeys, and experience for the year ahead. So it's a nice thick book. Many places to go. What is the top? Let's see, what is it? Top 10 travel places to travel. Lonely Planet ranks the top 10 countries, cities, and regions to visit in 2022. The most exciting travel experiences for the year ahead. For the wild landscapes of Iceland, westward to the energy and entertainment of Atlanta, Georgia, via the enchanting Cook Islands in the South Pacific. Practical information for every destination to help you make it happen. Okay, cool. So I got a $18 book for free for the one in a giveaway. So you never know. Always sign up for giveaways and you might win something. But that is the Lonely Planet Best in Travel 2022. And they give you some stickers. And that is it. If you are interested in this item or the Lonely Planet website, the link will be in the description below. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.